Hey, what's up everybody? Gather around. I'm going to tell you all a story. I don't really have a story, but I'm going to do my best to express my point of view. As usual, what do you expect? A guy sitting in his back office by his shop making videos about life. And it's really funny because through this I've been able to really gain a lot of insight into people. It's turned people watching into a whole new ballpark. Observing people's behavior gives you an idea of, well, gives me an idea of behaviors I have, maybe that are maybe not so great, but YouTube is funny. YouTube cracks me up in the sense that, you know, I look at all these stupid little scuffles going on. It's like watching the Real Housewives of Atlanta, or one of those Real Housewives of New Jersey, or one of those shows, where everybody's bickering and arguing, but nobody's really pissed. You know what I mean? Where it seems like people want to argue for argument's sake, as opposed to really having any issue to resolve or having a point to it. And those shows are a perfect example to me. I see that, you know, these chicks just blah, 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 barking back and forth at one another, and really to no avail. And there's no point. They're not getting anything resolved. They're just doing it for the sake of argument. I see it all the time on YouTube. I see it all the time on basically anywhere I go in the world, you know, families, friends. So how many of you had an argument with a friend where you're debating something stupid, like politics or whatnot, and you end up not talking for a while? And then eventually you both come around and you shake hands and say, this is stupid, what were we thinking? And that's what I would hope that would happen to people who are arguing about mundane things online, but in the end nobody wants to shake hands because they feel like it makes them less of a man or something, or less of a woman, if you would. As if putting out the hand of friendship is not okay because it makes you look weak. Now, I have no problem with looking weak. You know, I extend the hand of friendship to anybody who has an issue with me. I know there's a few people out there who comment on my videos and make snide remarks, and that's fine, but I never really understood why, and I still don't understand why. If somebody can, like, express to me what their problem is, then I'm always willing to discuss it. But I'm not here to please anybody. That's the thing. I'm not here to prove any points or to get anybody to believe what I have to say. I'm just a dude talking about random things. Which even I get attacked for even that. People saying, oh yeah, you're just talking about this and that. It's like, yeah, so what? Don't watch it if you don't like it. I could really care less. But some people are attracted to conflict and they want to argue. And I don't understand why. I don't really get the point. I mean, I've had people accuse me of bashing religion, but it's far from what I do here. I usually talk about ways that have bettered life for me or helped me. The only times when I actually seem to attack religion is when somebody who's religious has been attacking me within a period of a day or two. You know, if I've had somebody religious pushing themselves on me and telling me I'm wrong and this is wrong, then that's going to be in my mind, so it's going to be on the forefront of my thoughts. But in general, day-to-day life, I could care less what people believe. I really don't care. It's only when it affects the people and the world we live in. But, you know, it's my right to discuss whatever issues come to mind, and it's other people's right to complain if they don't like it. I have no problem with that. You know, I can take criticism. I can take anything you can dish out. If you got a problem with me, you can spit anything you want, and I could give a shit less, because I've learned a long time ago how to deal with criticism. So if I ask you what your problem is on a particular issue, it's not that I'm angry or upset, it's just that I want to know. And so far nobody's been able to really find anything except for these delusional fantasies that everyone's in this big club out to get them online. That there's these big teams and evil and good and everybody's trying to fight. It's just personal people sitting there behind their computers just trying to prove themselves, you know. And I don't need an ego because I know that I'm open to change. I don't have to prove my point because I really don't know, you know. If tomorrow I find the answers I'm looking for, they may change my point of view, so I have to be open to everything. And if that's too phony to people, well, then fuck you. I could really give a shit less. So, that's all. Peace and love.